faith and I can seize my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
All of us have the same 7 days in the week, the same 24 hours in the day. The people who become successful aren't the ones who work the hardest. They're the ones who can maintain maximum focus in the minimum minutes of their work.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
My JEE journey was a great experience. There were many hurdles, ups and downs. My 3-year JEE journey taught me how to remain disciplined, how to remain faithful, how to deal with frustrations, failures and many more. So brother, what are you waiting for? Work hard. Do it. Start from now. Execute your ideas, cause that will make the difference. That will separate you from others. Push yourself no matter what happens, because no one else is going to do it for you. Challenge your limits. Let them sleep while you grind, let them party while you work. The difference will show. If you don't sacrifice for what you want becomes a sacrifice.